What's up guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. Today's going to be a pretty exciting video. We're going to be jumping right in, but we're going to be doing the first test drive of having the front suspension on the Blue Mini bike. I still haven't got a name for it, so let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I've been thinking, I think I've had this bike for 4 years and I don't know. We're also going to be, my buddy's also coming up with a four-wheeler, so we're going to show you some fun with the four-wheeler. Just a lot of filming of driving today. So go ahead and shoot into the montage. I didn't think he was going that way. All right, so that's the video of going up the mountain with the mini bike with the suspension, and then also some of Travis running around on his four-wheeler, having lots of fun doing some slides. But what comes up must go down, and then we'll get to the review. Impressions now of the bike. So it works great, but one side, the left-hand side, the shock collapses a lot easier and quicker than the right-hand side, the faster side, than the right side. So it makes it a little sketchy because the tire will go down and one side will collapse, so it'll go like this. It'll go blink. Still handles pretty good, but other than that, that's my only complaint. I think the only thing that why it does that is because these are just spring ones, and one's not as stiff as the other. So eventually I'm probably gonna get the oil-filled shocks from the MB200 and put those on that. They're much taller, so I do have some concerns with that. I think I'm gonna run at these like how it is for a while. Overall, I really enjoy the shocks on the front end. Totally go ahead and go try them out. It's Cartfab's video that gave me the idea of putting those on, and I tried it. I tried it his way. I tried it my own way. It didn't work, and then I tried it his way, and it works all right. I think it's mostly the shocks being cheap and doesn't work. But hopefully enjoyed today's video. Did some riding and then gave you a review. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.